Na 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 na. Yeah, that's me. Oh, another episode. Okay, let's start. You have to pay with milk. Okay, that is ready. Now, what should we do? In the garden or what? Okay, I'm thinking of some stuff that is interesting, but, okay, let's go over to the neighbors. Maybe they have secrets? What they doing? Oh, nothing. Smells like other cats. I feel like a secret agent. Not so... You look like a paparazzi. Yeah. Psst. Have to very quiet. Okay, I thinking they built stuff here? Not so close. And not so loud. Okay. You're really a paparazzi. Don't look at me. Don't look at me. Okay, that's so much risk. I coming back. I hear truth. Okay. I'm back. Yep. I'm right here? Yeah, I'm going. I'm really right here? Oh yeah. Okay. Okay, now. Yep, that's my scooter. On my feet, that was very hard work. Come on, leave me alone with this stupid flower. You, subscribe to watch my next videos. Meow.